In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Microsoft Teams notifications. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal projects, proper notifications help you stay on top of all your important messages and activities. Let's dive right in and see how you can configure these notifications to best suit your needs. First, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Teams app. This could be either the desktop version or the web version, whichever you're most comfortable with. Once inside the app, take your gaze a little upwards to where you find your profile picture. Just to the right of your profile picture, there are three horizontal dots. These dots are your gateway to a world of customizable settings. So go ahead and click on them. Once you click on those dots, you'll see a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings, and within the settings, go directly to Notifications. Now you're in the right place to choose how you want your notifications to behave. First, there's the All Activity option. With this setting enabled, you will be notified about almost everything happening in your Microsoft Teams environment. If you prefer to know about virtually everything like messages, reactions, and updates, this is the toggle for you. Next, there's the Mentions and Replies setting. Enable this if you want to limit your notifications to when someone directly interacts with you by mentioning your name or replying to your messages. This is useful if you want to minimize distractions while ensuring you don't miss out on conversations that require your input. Finally, if neither of the predefined settings meets your needs, there's the Custom option. With the Custom setting, you can fine-tune the types of notifications you receive for each activity in Microsoft Teams, whether it be chats, meeting updates, or reactions. It's an extremely flexible option for tailoring your notification experience. Now let's say you want to adjust notifications for a specific chat or channel. Open the chat or the channel you're interested in altering. Once inside, you'll see the familiar three dots icon. This represents more options. Click on it and then select Mute, Unmute notifications from the list. This feature is particularly effective if you have certain chats or channels whose updates aren't as critical for you. There you have it, folks. A complete guide on setting up Microsoft Teams notifications just the way you like them. Hopefully, you found this tutorial helpful and can now enjoy a more tailored and efficient communication experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital workspace effectively. Thanks for watching.